The reltime command is used in Splunk to calculate relative time differences and durations between events. It helps to find how much time passed between two given timestamps. The purpose of the reltime command is to determine time differences within your data. It calculates durations between two timestamp fields, enabling analysis of event intervals and durations. The basic syntax of reltime includes specifying two fields containing timestamps followed by an alias for the resulting field. This new field will store the calculated relative time difference between the two timestamps. The reltime command works by taking two timestamp fields and computing the relative difference between them. It creates a new field which shows this duration in a readable format. For example, by applying reltime to start time and end time fields, you can create a new duration field. This field represents the difference between these two times, showing how long an event or process took. The output from the reltime command is a human-readable duration. This includes days, hours, minutes, and seconds. The format makes it easier to quickly understand time differences. In a practical scenario such as tracking transactions, you can calculate the delivery duration by comparing order time with delivery time. This helps measure the time taken for deliveries directly in your data. Key points to remember are: the reltime command calculates the time differences between two fields, making it useful for measuring durations and delays. It presents results in a clear, easy-to-read duration format that supports various analysis needs. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.